Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. Today, I'm gonna review new collection, pre-spring summer collection, which is 23P. They have so many pretty style, but this time I'm gonna review bags and I will show you just two signature look I liked from this collection. After that, I'm gonna review bags. So from this collection, I could see so many pastel colors from ready to wear, also from bags. So you can see so many light pink, light green, light blue, or lilac color, so many pastel tone, spring color. I love this color combination. So one of the ready to wear piece I really liked is this dress. This dress is not cashmere, so the price was less than $3,000, which is pretty good compared to other piece in ready-to-wear in Chanel. So this one is a one off-shoulder style and kind of a little bit short mini dress style. And there's a cardigan as well as a set. I would say cardigan is more practical for daily look. Dress is kind of signature look, so I would love to get dress if I get among these pieces. So you can see blue, green, and beige. This color is the theme of this collection. You know, Korean K-pop star Jennie was wearing this. It was so pretty. Next, ready to wear. So this shows all the color of this collection. You can see all this pastel tone color. There are three pieces. So there is a cardigan, top, and Bermuda pants. It's made of cotton, so I would say price range gonna be like between $2,000, $3,000, no more than that. I love this color combination, so I would get top or cardigan from this collection for ready to wear. So now let's talk about bags. I saw so many bags are released in Beverly Hills Boutique. I'm gonna show you the bags which is available in Beverly Hills Boutique. So from 20P collection, you can see many pastel tone color. There were so many pink color and then light green color, and also there are so many caviar material bags as well. So I'll show you one by one. So there's like small backpack. I think it's called Duma backpack, as I know. I've seen this backpack in lambskin material, but this season in Chanel boutique, especially the Beverly Hills boutique, I could see different color in caviar. If you want the caviar material, now is the time you can get a Duma backpack in caviar material. In Beverly Hills boutique, there is a pink color in caviar. Also, there was a light brown caramel color in caviar. I love this style. It's so cute. The round shape with a round pocket, so cute. So I would love to get this Duma backpack in caviar leather. And there was so many different kind of pink color bags as well. So as you can see, there is a rectangular mini shape with handle, but the color inside is different from outside. So it's two-tone color. Right now in Beverly Hills boutique, I'm not sure pink with green inside color is available, but they have outside black and inside pink color. So there are so many rectangular mini shape with handle. There's a classic, just a black color as well. Also, there were like red color, dark pink or red color. Also, light brown, which is caramel color. As you can see, there is two different color. Mini flat bag, it's made of lambskin. Chain is made of like four different color. So you can see pink color, light green, dark green. So it's like very spring summer vibe. I would prefer the rectangular mini with handle because you can see one color, main color from outside, but when you open, there's another color. So it's more like fun. But this one is a little bit too much, I would say. It's cute, but I would say it's not that classic style. Better get solid color, and inside you can see another color. That'll be fun. So this one is one of the two-tone, and there was another camera bag. This mini camera case has actually three color. There's a beige color on the side. There's a pink and black color. The chain has four different color. There's a black, silver, and beige and pink. So this season you can see so many chain which has like 3-4 different color. Even the handle, most of the seasonal bag has 4 different kind of color for the handle. So I'll show you those items as well. Like this vanity case, you can see 4 different color in this handle. There are 4 different kind of leather. There's like silver, white, beige, and pink. That's kind of this season's signature look. So this season, I can see so many different kind of vanity case. There are so many different kind of shape. like this small vanity case. Right now in Beverly Hills Boutique, I can see there's a light green color, also pink color, and a black color. There might be beige color, I'm not sure, but like for sure right now 3 colors available. The material is grain calfskin, which is caviar. So caviar leather that you cannot find easily, the vanity case with the caviar leather with this shape. So I love this small vanity case. I love the Chanel CC logo is also same color and the handle is also same color. It looks so classic and kind of cute. With the Duma backpack at the beginning I show, you can find this kind of caviar leather this season a lot. So about vanity case, one more thing to add. Right now in Beverly Hills Boutique, there are so many different colors. There's like a rectangular shape vanity case in beige color. Also, there is a black rectangular shape vanity case with a chain handle. So there are so many color and style available in Beverly Hills Boutique now. So try to check it out there. Next one, among shopping bag, Deauville bag is popular. This season, they make it more like sporty look. Like they have a stripe all over, canvas material with a kind of sporty style logo, very like casual style more than before. With a stripe, it looks kind of different to look, not exactly same Deauville used to be. I love this style. So sporty look you can see. And from last season, you can see kind of moon shape hobo bag. This one is a small size hobo bag. It has like 4 different color: green color, beige color, pink color, and black color. Yeah, right now you can check in the boutique as well. 4 color is available. And last season in cruise collection, you could see same shape, the top part. So it was really popular. Right now there's more color added from this season. In Beverly Hills Boutique, this season you can see another color, light blue, baby blue color, which is this season color but with this cruise style. Also, black color is available, as I know. In calfskin, new hobo bag style is lambskin. Hobo bag is kind of popular. And now let's talk about Chanel 22 bag. So there is a Chanel 22 bag as a hobo bag, and there is a Chanel 22 backpack. So there are so many different colors this season. You can see gradiated denim color, so it's very casual. Denim with a 22 bag shape really goes well, I think. So I would love to get this denim 22 bag. And there's a silver color available. Also in Chanel Beverly Hills Boutique, I can see iridescent pink color. And there is a green color available and silver color. Also 22 backpack in beige color. Also, there are other kinds of bag available as well. For example, there is a small camera case with a Chanel lettering on it. There's a diamond quilting in one pocket. The other one has CC logo. And there is some bucket bags as well. This season, color theme was, as I mentioned, light green, pink, dark pink, and these are all lambskin. So if you don't like lambskin, you can maybe consider another caviar leather bags I recommended earlier. Bucket bag can be like easy to match with any outfit, the shape wise. So yeah, I would like to get one of these bucket bag. And there are 2 kinds of bucket bag. One is just like kind of simple bucket bag style with a quilting, but the other one has like different color. But this one has like on the chain there's a charm, so it's kind of a little bit different style. Actually, when I look at the shape, looks like mini version of 22 bag with a charm on the chain. If you think 22 bag is too big for you, you can try this small bucket bag style because it's very similar shape. So you can choose this one instead of 22 bag. Also, there are many denim material. I showed you the 22 bag in denim, and there is a seasonal bag, square mini size, floral print on denim. But it's kind of cute and casual style, and you can see heart charm in the middle of this chain, so cute. Also, there was wallet-on chain or like small leather goods available in denim, so you can check that as well. In this season, you can see many tweed bag in pink or purple color, so I can see so many cute like mixed color tweed bag. It's like seasonal color but like tweed, so you cannot miss tweed in Chanel. So I would love to get classic. I mean, it's gonna be too much to get classic bag price wise, so I would get like seasonal bag, like mini flat bag in tweed, or like 19 bag mixed like blue and pink. This is also really cute. Yeah, so I would love to get 19 bag in tweed. Also, there's another seasonal mini flat bag. This bag is the size-wise square mini shape. It has almost 20cc loop, but handle is different, and it has 4 different color leather on the handle, so it's really unique. This bag has two colors, light green color and silver color. And this is a lambskin. It has a variant color for the chain by itself. But I would love to get this seasonal bag. I just personally don't like green color bag. Brings spring vibe, but I think it's too light color for me. So this is it for today's video. I tried to review everything in this video, but it is impossible because there are so many things available right now. So next video I gonna try to review fashion jewelry or shoes. Hope you enjoyed this time and it was helpful to choose a bag from this collection. See you next time. Bye.